okasyon, katulad ng birthday, mga ganap, kapag ikakasal na, mini reunion, get together, or simpleng bakasyon lamang or staycation. Ang tanong agad, saan ang punta natin, 'di ba? Saan ito gaganapin? At ang ilan sa mga madalas na sagot, resort, hotel, kaya naman ay staycation sa isang condominium unit or bahay na nirentahan natin. Pero paano kung kulang sa kalinisan at kaligtasan ang venue? Katulad na lang po ng mga nakikita natin pinopost online. Nakikita natin na ginagamit ang mga electric kettle para pakuluan ang mga madudumi nilang underwear at doon ito linisin. Nakikita natin na sinasabi nila yung mga coffee machine na tuwan-tuwa tayo kapag pumunta tayo doon, uy, may libreng pakape. Yun pala, mga 30 years ago pa huling nilinis yung lalagyanan ng tubig. Tapos recently, yung driver ni Amiga, nag-overnight sila sa isang resort, umuwi. Nangangati ang buong katawan pagkatapos matulog dun sa resort na yun. Kaya naman, ngayong araw, isang General Manager and Director for Membership for the Hotel Sales and Marketing Association or HSMA ang kasama natin para magbigay po ng mga sagot sa mga dapat nating gawin pagdating sa pag-inspect ng kalinisan at kaligtasan ng isang property, 'di ba? Kasama po natin ngayon si Ma'am Tet Romualdo. Welcome po sa Kada Umaga. Sorry, dapat may drum roll yun eh. Nakalimutan nila yung drum roll, Ma'am Tet eh. Magandang umaga po.
Magandang umaga, Pia. Thank you for inviting me here.
Yes, kasi ako mismo nababahala, Tet, about all these reports. So, I made our staff do a special report about this dahil bakasyon ngayon, summer vacation, people are checking into resorts, checking into hotels, but they don't know minsan, baka nanlilimarim pala sa dumi ang mga hotel na pinupuntahan nila. Mukha lang aesthetic, pero sa ilalim, puro dumi. So, ano ba dapat ang mga SOP when it comes to the cleanliness and the safety of an establishment or a property?
Okay. First and foremost, if you're a traveler, choose a legitimate hotel, resort, or any tourism establishment. Because if you have Department of Tourism accreditation or LGU permit, you are ensured that the property have undergone inspection and is following strict guidelines on cleanliness and sanitation of the property. Like before checking in a guest, the property has to ensure that the room has been deep cleaned and the high-touch areas are sanitized.
Yun na nga. When we say high-touch areas, we mean yung mga doorknobs, remote control, telepono. Yun daw yung
Yes.
pinakamadudumi.
Yes,
Mas
that's
madumi
true.
pa daw yun kaysa sa toilet bowl.
That's very true.
Pasintabi sa mga nag-aalmusal or nag-early lunch. That's true.
That's very true. And di ba, during the COVID, it was really put into emphasis that those areas should be sanitized
Oo.
prior a guest use to ensure na safe ang magiging stay and hindi sila magkakasakit after checking in the property.
What else? What else, Tet, ang dapat nilang ginagawa?
Okay, as far as hotel...
Deep cleaning. What does
Okay.
deep cleaning mean? Is
Deep-
this just vacuuming?
Deep cleaning like meaning changing all the linen.
Oo.
Diba? Thorough cleaning from the bathroom, bedroom, kitchen. There's a protocol on how to clean that. Hindi lang siya dusting lang. So,
Oo.
as far as doing pest control treatment monthly or regularly, changing the curtain, everything has to be done for deep cleaning prior a guest check-in. And even during the stay of guests, there should be a daily make-up room cleaning just to
Oo.
ensure yung comfortability of the guest.
Oo. Pero Tet, as a guest, paano natin malalaman kung ginagawa nila ito talaga? So, a DOT or Department of Tourism accreditation helps
Yes, and you
to give you peace of mind.
give you peace of mind, and of course, you have the establishments have a business permit,
Ayun.
right? And when you enter, you can already feel and smell if it's
Oo.
clean.
Oo.
Like you can see if it's dusty and all, and then
Oo.
if the linens are fresh,
Oo.
and there's no obvious stain when you check
And
in.
also, reviews help. Kasi ang mga tao, kapag
Mm.
meron silang nahanap na katulad niyan, kaya ako nga nakita to dahil nilagay nila sa kanilang
That's
mga
true.
social media
Actually, most of the
feeds.
travelers now, even before they book, they research. They check the website, they check the
Reviews.
review website so that they can check what other guests are saying about the property.
Oo. Kasi, how true is it na hindi nililinis ang mga coffee machines?
Well, it
Hindi
may
nililinis
be,
yung mga water receptacle nila na mosi-mosi na daw yan sa tagal na
if
hindi
the
siya.
establishments are not regulated,
Oo.
it can be true.
It can be true.
But sometimes it's difficult to see,
Oo.
'di ba? But that's why you go to a place that you trust. Para hindi masayang yung time, yung money, 'di ba?
Tama.
You put
Nagbayad
into the
ka na.
vacation. That's right.
Nagkasakit ka pa.
That's right.
Or nagka-skin disease ka pa.
Correct.
What about, are there telltale signs that you can help us with when we go into a hotel? Ano ba yung mga dapat nating makita, inspeksyonin? Sabi nila, kapag meron daw mga red dots, yung mattress, that's a sign that there's bed bugs. Totoo ba yun?
Well, yes, but actually ang bed bugs kasi it takes some time to it can be brought by a guest actually. Kasi they leave in like luggage and all. But usually sa mga bedsides makikita mo siya kung meron.
Sa sides ng bed.
Sides ng bed, but only kapag marami na.
Oh.
Usually pag individual, you won't see it. That's why bed bug is challenging pest din to control in a hotel because some guests will actually bring it.
Yeah.
But ang pinaka-obvious will be cockroach, di ba? Yun yung parang...
That's a deal
it's
breaker. Pag nakakita ka ng
unhygienic.
cockroach.
Oo, unhygienic. That's why in hotels like us, we have to ensure that we have credible pest control provider that does.
Tama. Kasi
regular
ano ang maaring mangyari? Meron bang pwedeng isampang kaso sa mga hotel guests na that misuse the amenities katulad nung electric kettle na pinaglabahan
yes.
ng underwear?
Actually, upon check-out, housekeepers usually check the room, and if there's misuse or like destruction in the room, you can be charged for damages, for fees, or you can even be blacklisted. Kasi there are some guests talaga that nagda-damage ng property. Yung mga irresponsible travelers na really break the equipment.
Maganda sana kung lahat sila, i-post nila na naglalaba sila using the electric
Yeah.
kettle para makasuhan sila.
You have to be responsible travelers din kasi.
Grabe. Not
Yeah.
just because it's available doesn't mean that we can do whatever we want
That's
with
right.
it. Diba? Wala tayong pakialam dun sa
So, next-
susunod na
next travel.
gagagamit.
And kawawa rin yung property. It's hard to maintain a hotel. That's why you have to be, follow the house rules and at least leave it organized naman when you leave.
Okay. Eto pa isa. 'Di ba, mahilig tayo, we veered away from hotels dahil ngayon pwede na tayong mangrenta ng mga bahay.
Okay.
Natuklasan naman na merong mga CCTV na itinatago sa mga rentals na ito. Sa bedroom, sa bathroom. How do we protect ourselves from something like that?
Actually, it's prohibited to put CCTVs on, private areas, bathroom. It's only allowed in common area, hallways. So, well, if you are a traveler, first and foremost, you can check if there are suspicious gadgets that is installed inside the property, then you can report. Me personally, I check when I log in on Wi-Fi. I'll check if there are other, gadgets that suspicious. And then inquire.
Makikita
If
mo, no?
Yes,
Oo
you can
nga naman.
see.
Or
it's
Bluetooth?
Bluetooth. But medyo sophisticated na kasi ngayon yung mga camera. Baka hindi mo ma-notice sometimes. That's why, very important pa rin yung first recommendation, go to a legitimate property
Oo.
to avoid things like that.
And then, meron ba tayong pwedeng maiwan na mga tips sa ating mga kada na, kasi I saw this post ni Lori, yung sa Shark Tank.
Okay.
Sabi niya, always bring disinfecting wipes. When you go inside the hotel, she doesn't care daw kung 4-star to, 5-star to. Pupunasan niya yung mga doorknob, yung mga remote control, yung mga telepono. Hindi niya gagamitin yung throw pillows because throw pillows daw don't get washed. So,
Maybe in some...
is that...
Well, it's not the standard, right? That's why you should really go to a hotel resort that you trust so that when you go there, you feel comfortable. You don't have to worry.
Oo,
Diba?
correct.
The reason why you go to that place is to relax and enjoy and not to think too much about, things that can go wrong. So,
So, isama na rin natin yan sa ating mga tanong. After, magkano po ba a night? DOT accredited po ba kayo? Ganon.
well, it depends on your location, diba? The prices range usually right now in the city average is around 5,000. You can get a good room already and very near the area and vicinity. So it depends on the inclusion.
Okay.
But check reviews. So may marami namang way to check.
Oo, kaya mga kada, kung kayo po ay magbabakasyon, para masigurado nating ito ay one for the books at hindi one to be forgotten.
Yeah.
Take all of these pieces of advice into consideration.
Yeah, and just to add, there's a scam now going on. Like some scammers are, copying the website or Facebook accounts of some legitimate hotels and pretend they are the legitimate property. So you have to be careful also when you're buying, accommodation via online. So go to the main website or better yet, call the hotel to check.
Oo
So
nga.
that's additional tip because I also see a lot of complaints on that.
Wala pa rin katumbas yung actual human.
Yes, you can validate
interaction.
if it's too good to be true. Like the offer is like too good to be true, then double check.
Grabe.
Yes, oo.
Maraming salamat, Tet, for your
Most
time
welcome.
this morning. And for any other concerns, saan po ba pwedeng makontakt ang inyong office?
Well, since I represent a group of hotel, they can just log into our website www.hsma.org.ph. So usually, tip ko din, nandun yung mga DOT accredited hotels. So mas safe if they go to that website to book.
Kasi pag DOT accredited, ang ibig sabihin is what?
Meaning the property has undergone a thorough inspection before they operate and undergo regular audits.
Ayun. Yun ang kailangan natin para talagang legit
Yes.
yung mga
Oo.
titirahan nating mga lugar. Maraming salamat, Tet.
Okay, you're most welcome.
Yes! At kung karaniwang 4 na sulok po ang pinupuntahan nating hotel, condo at private resorts, dapat quadruple o 4 na beses ding inspeksyonin ang lahat ng mga gamit sa loob. Or like Ted said, just go to a reputable establishment. Magbasa po tayo ng mga reviews. Make sure they are DOT accredited, di ba? Para masiguro natin ang kalinisan at kaligtasan at maging memorable ang ating mga ganap.
Let's get together. Sunnet 25. Sunnet 25.